My local supermarket threw out 1 kilo bags of bird feed, peanuts. And I was shopping and I said to the assistant out in the skip there, I said, "You've got loads of bags of peanuts," I said. "Yes," he says, "we can't sell them, they're out of date." I said, "But they're peanuts, they don't go out of date." I said, "Anyway, they're for birds, surely they won't mind." "Oh," she said, "we're not allowed to sell them." She says, "You can help yourself if you want them." So I did. I took 6 packets. I thought I'll make myself a bird feeder, and I'll encourage the squirrels as well. So I got a piece of acrylic tube and cut about a 4-inch length off for the body of the feeder. Then I cut a second cut about 1/3 of the way through, 1/4 of an inch down. You can skip this if you want to avoid having the feeder attacked by squirrels, but I quite like them. The bottom of the acrylic tube I used a round file and made some scallops, and here the birds can get at the peanuts. I used a bit of sandpaper on some wood and made these shapes. I then attached this to a couple of pieces of wood, screwed and glued at 90 degrees to one another. On the top of the roof is another piece of acrylic I had, but it could equally be a piece of wood, doesn't matter. And I hinged this to the back piece of wood with just short lengths of fishing line. It won't rot and should last. And if you look closely at the bottom of the acrylic tube, I've anchored it down with some wire loops, again through holes in the base, because I soon found out that the crafty squirrels would lift up the tube and shed all the peanuts all over the ground. Ha ha ha!